Yo, what up everybody? Welcome again to my blog, to my video, to my channel. This is Paulhewson again at your service. For today's vlog, I'll be making another video. For this video, it will be another vlog and it will be another content for this vlog, for this video. What the hell? Anyway, so for today, we'll be doing an unboxing video. I know you're excited, because me too, because we will be unboxing not just one, not just two, not just three, not just four, but five shoes, bro. That's five. So if you were excited, I'm excited too, you know. Well, and before we unbox the video, I'll just gonna inform you ahead that I'll be doing a giveaway for this vlog. So stay tuned, watch until the end of the video to know how to like be in or what to do so you could win this giveaway. Understood? Okay, let's move on. So we'll be unboxing 3 Paul George 4 and then 2 another colorway of Jordan 1 Low, as you all know, you know. And then, well, let's open it now. Five boxes, okay? So, okay, let's unbox first the smallest one. This is the smallest one. And I don't know where the Jordan 1 is, and I don't know where the Paul George is, but let's just open it without knowing whichever it is. Okay, let's open this one. Would be the Jordan, second smallest one. And then this is Paul George. It's just the same boxes, so let's just open it right away. Ooh. So this is Paul George already side. Same box. Paul George right here. This one. This one is I think it's Jordan, bro. Another J. And the last one. So I got 2 PG, 2 Jordan, so it's already Paul George for sure. Oh, Paul George. Okay, I don't know what to open first, but since I got 3 Paul George right here, so let's open Paul George first. Let's open the first one right here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Paul George. Bam. You'll be the one to see it, okay? You'll be the one to see it. Okay, let me show it to you. Paul George. Paul George, Paul George, Paul George. What color? PG4. Beautiful. Kaboom. Yeah, it's like a SpongeBob collar shoe of Paul George, bro. Yeah, it's SpongeBob. Nice shoe, bro. It's right here, so you can see it. Right there. I'm sorry, I keep on watching this video right here instead of here. My bad. Anyway, well, this is the first shoe that we unboxed. This one, the PG4. I don't know what is the name of this color, but I already showed it. Okay, anyway, let's move on. Let's just open Jordan. Second. There's a name actually. Oh, this one just got released. It's the pine green. Right here, there's the name. Ding. Ta-da. My bad. Ta-da. Closer look. Right there. I like the smell. I like the smell. I like the smell. Man, there's a view for all of you, bro. Right here. Right here. Man. Whew. Another J. Let's open another one. This one. So before I open this one, so for the shoes, people are asking me where I bought my shoes here in the US. So I actually got plenty of applications in my phone where I look for the shoes that is available that I like, especially Paul George, LeBron, and then Jordan 1s. So I'm checking first up, actually it's the Nike app or the Nike application, which is you can just download it in your app store or in your Play Store, or Foot Locker application, Shams application, eBay, or Goat, where some of my shoes is being bought in Goat app. It's a bidding app where you just have to bid how much you wanna buy that kind of specific shoe, but it still depends on the seller if they are gonna accept it, and then sell the shoes to you until the price that you want, and you just have to shoulder the shipping payment, and the shoe will be shipped to you for like 5 days if or most, or 3 days. It depends if it will be accepted right away on the seller on the day that you tried to bid an amount on the shoe. I hope you get that one. Let's move on for the third one. So for the third one, it's PG right here. Man, PG Gatorade, bro. Yeah, it's Gatorade. Closer look. Yeah, you can see there's the Gatorade right there. Right there. Excuse me, bro. Come on. Right there. What's the difference? Let me check. Paul George are releasing really good, bro. Really good colors. It's colorful colors. It's like, yeah, I kind of like it. It's really good for my collection, bro. You know, feel me. Anyway, let's move on. Got two left. I don't know what's open, but let's just open Paul George then, since I like Jordan. So here's the last one, buddy. Paul George, let's check. Paul George, for you or me? I don't know. Let's just open it. bro. This is, I don't know what this is, bro. But yeah, I don't know. We'll give you a closer look on that one. Yeah, there's a pin right there. And this one. Still the zip right there, the zipper. Yeah, right there. Right there. Excuse me. On to the last one. Jordan. One, two, three, four, five. And the fifth one is. Oh, damn. Oh, it's like the same as the first one that I bought. The one with multicolor, all different colors here. But let me just give you a picture. Oh, it's similar. No, it's different, bro. Different color. It's just multicolor. Yeah, I'll give you a closer look. Got the pink right here, check pink, and then the blue, light blue right here, and then the yellow on this area, and then light green on this area right here. You feel what I'm feeling right now? You feel what I'm feeling right now, huh? You feel it? Can you feel it? Man, if you can feel it, bruh, I'm so damn happy, you know? I don't know what to say. That's all I keep on saying because I really don't know what to say, you know? I think this is my 7th and 8th Jordan, and this is my first Paul George for my collection. I'm trying to collect issues since I kind of like the colors. It's so colorful right in here. Man, I'm so damn happy, you know. Another Jordan here and a new collection of Paul George 4. Before I got Paul George, I think that one's first release. Yeah, I think so. The one with the zip, I think. Well, anyway, that's the first Paul George. It was given with my old friend Ash. Yeah, shout out to you, my friend Ash Lyndon Annis. Shout out to you, buddy. Hope you're watching this one. And then, yeah, I think it's a wrap for today, bro. That's all I can say since I'm really happy. I'm excited to show to all of you another unboxing video. And it's like 5 shoes, bro. So, yeah. And now, for sure you're excited because it's time for a giveaway. Okay, so for this giveaway, as we all know, in the first place I don't have that much subscriber, but I'll still gonna do this giveaway just to thank everyone who supported me. But for the folks who will be supporting me in the future, you can still like join this giveaway. You know. All you gotta do is you just need to follow me in this YouTube channel. You know, this YouTube channel you're watching right now. You know that. Yeah, you just have to follow me on this YouTube channel, Paulhewsonnn TV. And next one is you just have to follow me on Instagram as well. Easy, right? And then last one is you just have to comment your Instagram. You just have to comment your Instagram in this video on the comment section below, and then just put it in why you are or you deserve to win this giveaway. My giveaway to all of you is I'll be giving one shoe, and the shoe is Vans. The winner will be picked 30 days from now or a month from now. That's it for today, folks. I hope you're happy seeing the shoes that I unboxed today. You know. Well, yeah. That's it for today, Well, it's a wrap for today, folks, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell button down below to be updated with more upcoming crazy video. Well, until the next one, adios mi amigo. Till next time, baby. Peace out.